this video I will tell you how you can remove the background of image easily. Just open a browser and then type remove.bg. Search for it. Then you can see the domain of the website www.remove.bg. Just open it. Such an interface will open there. Tap the upload image. Select the image from your gallery and then tap done. It may take some time to upload. Now the image has been uploaded. You can see how difficult the image is. It will remove the background very easily. Now you can download the image by tapping the download option here. Just tap the download. Now you can see the image has been downloaded. Just tap open. Now you can see the background of the image has been removed. If you want to change the background of the image, just tap edit. And you can select many different background from here. You can see just by tapping these options you can change the background. If you want to blur the background, just tap here. Now you can see the background looks good. Here are too many options, you can use them. Now to save the image in your gallery, just tap the download in the right corner and then tap download image. Again tap download. Now the image has been downloaded. In this way you can remove and change the background of any image very easily.